You will need about 4 to 5 pounds of cleaned and separated chicken wings into drums and flats. I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and tossing to coat the wings. You can use your favorite seasoned salt, and tonight I'm using 2 teaspoons of Lawry seasoning, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, or you can use black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of paprika, giving the wings a good toss to make sure that they're thoroughly coated. To guarantee these wings are tasty all the way through, we have to make sure the wings are seasoned well enough before cooking and adding the sauce. Placing the wings top side down on an oven rack. These are going into a 425-degree oven for 20 minutes, and then we will give them a flip to the top side and bake an additional 30 minutes. The wings will come out nice and crispy and tender. And now for the sauce. In a saucepan on medium heat, I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2/3 cup of hot sauce, and you can use your favorite kind, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, and as you taste it, you can add more. Give that a good mix, and then add a 1/4 cup of honey. Stir and cook for a couple minutes, and then remove from the heat. Pour the spicy Old Bay sauce over the wings and give them a good toss. We love the taste of the Old Bay seasoning on the chicken wings, and the spicy sweet just adds an explosion of flavor. I hope you give my Old Bay chicken wings a try and enjoy. My local grocery store had an insane sale on chicken wings, so I plan to have a lot more wing recipes for you in the future. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Tonight is wing night, and it is inspired by 2 seasonings that I picked up at Aldi. The first one you're very familiar with, and it's a packet of ranch seasoning mix, and the second is the Stone Meal Nashville hot chicken seasoning. I have a video recipe on my channel called Taco Ranch Chicken Wings, so I thought I would make a similar version using the Nashville hot chicken seasoning. I have 1 ounce packet of the ranch, and I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of the Nashville seasoning, giving that a good mix. The Nashville hot chicken seasoning is one of the 3 new seasoning blends that Aldi is offering. The others are the umami seasoning with mushrooms and the elote seasoning with chili pepper and cheese. I plan on trying and reviewing all of them. I cleaned my chicken wings and lightly patted them with a paper towel. I'm using both drums and flats. Pouring over 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm adding in about half of the seasoning and giving it a good mix. Sprinkling over the other half and giving another good mix. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees. Placing the chicken wings on a foil-lined sheet and making sure there is space between the wings so they cook evenly. For more spiciness, I'm sprinkling more of the Nashville hot chicken seasoning over the top. These wings are going into the top oven for 45 minutes. I will give them a flip about halfway through the cooking and then place under a low broiler for 1 to 2 minutes to crisp that skin. The Nashville Ranch chicken wings are done, and I must say they smell really good. Serving tonight with some cucumbers, celery, and ranch dressing. This is a real easy and real yummy dinner, lunch, or snack. Great for the holiday and game season. Only 4 ingredients and 45 minutes. No fuss, no mess. I will definitely be making these Nashville Ranch wings again. I probably would sprinkle a little of the Nashville hot chicken seasoning on the wings after they come right out of the oven. The wings turned out delicious. I hope you give my Nashville ranch wings a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.